So now let's see how we can utilize Scholar AI inside of ChatGPT. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around over here on to Explore GPTs right here. And if I were to go to Scholar AI right here, Scholar AI, then what happens is that I get access to this Scholar AI, as you can see right here. So what I can do with this is I can go around and access out different papers for what I want right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and let's say, for example, I'm going to say write about the recent trends on technology using 5 references to scholarly books right here, just like this, in Harvard format right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then you can see that it starts the action right here, and you can go around and sign in with Scholar AI first. So let me just go around and continue with Google right here, and using my account, I'm just going to go around and sign up for my account right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, I can go around and accept it right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it says now the account is connected and I need to allow Scholar AI to talk to ChatGPT. So once you do that, you can see that it says talking to API, Scholar AI, scholarai.io right here. And then you can see that it will execute it in a while. So now it says recent trends in technology are characterized by significant advancement in various fields. So there's digital servitization right here, and you can see that it gives the information in Harvard reference format as well, along with the links as well, as you can see right here. So it gave a few points, as you can see right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and skip to the part when this actually finishes. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So in Harvard style of referencing, it's cited out information right here. So let me just go around and say, give me Harvard style reference list for these as well. So let me just go around and get it. And what happens is that now you can see that I get the Harvard style reference list for this, as you can see right here, just like this. And this is how you can utilize Scholar AI in order to get out scholarly researches and resources as you like inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.